सब्सक्राइब कीजिए वी टेक्निकल वर्ल्ड को और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को दबाइए। न्यू वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पाइए।
Tech Samsung has silently launched the Galaxy A8 Star, a smartphone that sports a 6.3-inch Infinity display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, and a 3700 mAh battery. The new device sports a rather similar build to the Galaxy Note 8 with clean boxy aesthetic, a rear fingerprint scanner, and a notch less front with noticeable top and bottom bezels. The device is also one of the company's first devices to sport a dual camera setup in a vertical orientation at the corner rather than in the middle. A8 Star features a premium glass sandwich design and has a metal body. The Samsung Galaxy A8 Star, also known as the A9 Star in China. A8 Star equipped with dual rear mirrors set up a 16MP with f1.7 plus 24MP f1.7 and a selfie 24MP f2.0 shooter. The camera of the Samsung Galaxy A8 Star is equipped with autofocus. Autofocus is a camera feature that fine-tunes the focus of the camera. It is a nice feature of this smartphone. The rear camera has optical image stabilization to counteract camera shakes. Samsung Galaxy A8 Star features a 6.3 inches AMOLED display with 1080 by 2220 pixel resolution. The AMOLED technology is widely used for smartphones because of their gorgeous color reproduction abilities and very deep black. The Samsung Galaxy A8 Star runs on Android OS v8.0 Oreo out of the box. It's powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core CPU, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage which can be expanded with a microSD card. The 3700 mAh non-removable battery gives the smartphone a good battery backup. Fingerprint located on the back. Fast charging support and dual SIM card support. It is a pretty big display. Please like the video and subscribe.